today we are step 1 on clearing a defect. Let's go. Alrighty, so we are back. I feel like absolute shit, so disregard that. My life has been tea and butter menthols at the moment. Today we are gonna change the wheel wells. This is Operation Fix Defect, Operation Blue Slip. This is the road to getting your car, road worthy again. Basically, my wheel wells at the moment are completely see-through. I will show you. As you can tell, you can see straight through. You'll probably be able to tell a bit better from this side. So all of that there is supposed to be wheel well, and then you can just see straight up through there, which is helpful. I didn't know this. They are basically, your wheel wells are just held on by those little plastic clips, the ones that you break every single time that you take them off. I didn't know these existed, but I got this off eBay, which is like a 467 piece kit of every one of those plugs you could ever want, with a trim removal tool and button plugger tool to get these in and out. It's like 20 bucks. Bargain! That's what I'm talking about. So today, hopefully this video won't drag out to be as ridiculous as the others. These are the wheel wells I picked up, super cheap, went to a wrecker's, $25 each I think they were, and he took them out. They even came with some of the plugs. So I should mention, these were filthy. They were covered in mud and all sorts of shit. So I gave them a good wash yesterday, even though they're just wheel wells. Some people might think that's a bit crazy, but Obsessed Garage inspired me to do it. If you don't know who Obsessed Garage is, I'll put a link down below. If you're into car detailing, then I bet you any money that this guy is into it more. They have crazy nice cars. The detail that they go into is crazy. It's a true obsession. It's so crazy. Go look at his channel. His videos are not short. They are extremely lengthy. They are extremely detailed. But if you're into that type of thing, man, massive wormhole. Anyway, so this is me cleaning him yesterday. All right, be done with that. We now take these, we jack up the car, we get the old ones out. Let's do it. Where has that been all my life? So, liner is out. This is our replacement liner. It is nice and relatively clean, most importantly in one piece. This is our current liner. 2 pieces. Not good. And of that 2 pieces, this is front, sits at the front, stops water from spraying all through your engine bay, pending it is a complete piece. This part here. As you can see, my wheel was having an argument with this part here and the top, thus disintegrated. Basically, there's not a chance in hell that someone would blue slip your car if you didn't have wheel linings, so we're going to chuck them in. So let's get into that. I'm really hoping this can just be nice and smooth because I feel like trash. So anyway, new one, let's go. It's really hot. This is very frustrating because firstly, the wrecker that I got these off was a dick. He was a real bellend, to be honest. Is it my fault as well for not checking? Yeah, probably it is, but who cares? I'm ready just to pass it off on him. These are Outback wheel wells. I rang him specifically and said, have you got any Liberty wheel wells? Yeah, mate, yeah, no worries, come in. Sweet as, come in, I got some for you here. Sweet, no worries. I get home and I'm putting them in just then, and they fit in, all the bolts line up and all of the plastic clips and all that fit. But obviously the wheel well, this part here where the Outback is a lot wider, these gouge out. I'm gonna go back to him and let him know that he's a cock, but for now I'm just going to make these work, which is what I did. So we have made these work. I mean, this bottom bit is different on the Liberty, so I just cut my old ones flat off, and obviously you can just see that it just underlaps the other one. But everything else works in pretty well. It's up and around the top. All those bolts in across the back there. Everything else is good to go. Underneath here, everything else is pretty well the same. So basically with the other one, with the left hand side, I'm going to cut it, what needs to be cut here, rather than doing it in the car, and then I'll put it in. So let's do that now and then we'll see how we go. Hopefully I can get this knocked over today because I feel like I've been hit by a bus. Alrighty, so that is off now. I've just cut up this guard. What I'm going to do now is put this wheel back onto there and then jack up the other side and then do the reverse to that side. So hopefully we can just get through that a lot quicker than what that one just was, because that was shit. Life. Well, that's something you don't see. Hello. Help me. I need help. Someone is hurting. It's just fantastic. Yep. Alrighty, so I've just finished the left-hand side and it came out pretty good. A lot quicker than the other one because I learnt my lesson. It's turned out pretty good, and to be honest, all I needed to do is get rid of this big gaping hole here. The other one's just straight up didn't have it. I'm done for the day, to be honest. I'm so freaking sick. This video has been absolute garbage to make. Nothing has gone right and I feel like crap, so we're done. It was, I don't know, somewhat important, plus it gave me something to do. Piece to the puzzle of getting your car undefected. Anybody that has a lowered car would be very familiar with this. Anyway, that is where we're going to end today's video, I think, because I'm calling time. See you on the next one. Let us know what you think. If you don't, if you do, oh, who knows? Who knows? See you later. Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, 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 love,